Finding true love. We are all looking for true love, just like this woman. This is Miss Bugalyon, second runner-up, looking for Jowa. If you are interested, please call 0912-345-6789. God is also looking for true love. It is recorded in Deuteronomy 6:5. We read in the Hebrew Bible, We'ahabta et Yod-Heh Waw-Heh Eloha Eloheka Bekal Lebabeka. Love God with all your heart. Obekal Nepseka with all your soul. Obekal Meodeka with all your strength. In Deuteronomy 6:5, there are 4 elements. The Hebrew word Lebabeka means with all your heart. And Napseka means with all your soul. Meodeka means with all your strength. In Matthew 22:37, again, the words of God was read in Hebrew. It says, Wayomer Yeshua Ela Elau. And Jesus said unto him, We'ahabta et Yod-Heh Waw-Heh Eloheka Bekal Lebabeka. And Jesus said unto him, Love God with all your heart. Obekal Napseka with all your soul. Obekal Madaeka with all your mind. In Matthew 22:37, there are also 3 elements. 1 is Libabeka with all your heart. 2 is Napseka with all your soul. And 3 is Madaeka with all your mind. Note that the third element was changed. In Deuteronomy 6:5, it was with all your strength, Meodeka. But here in Matthew 22:37, it is Madaeka with all your mind. Now in Mark 12:30, again, the search for true love is recorded again. In Hebrew Bible, we read, We'ahabta et Yod-Heh Waw-Heh Eloheka Bekal Lebabeka. Love God with all your heart. Obekal Napseka with all your soul. Obekal Madaeka with all your mind. Obekal Meodeka Zot Hi Hameswa Harishon Na. For this is the first commandment. So Mark 12:30, there are 4 elements that we can see. 1 is Libabeka with all your heart. 2 is Napseka with all your soul. 3 is Madaeka with all your mind. And 4 is Meodeka with all your strength. So in Mark 12, it includes the element that in Deuteronomy and the element that is in Matthew. That makes it 4. Luke 10:27 records. In Hebrew Bible we read, Wayaan as Wayomer We'ahabta et Yod-Heh Waw-Heh Eloheka Bekal Lebabeka. So love God with all your heart. O Bekal Napseka with all your soul. O Bekal Meodeka with all your strength. O Bekal Madaeka with all your mind. O Bekal Meodeka. Ola Olereya Olerayeka Kamoka and thy neighbor as thyself. So in Luke 10:27, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. One is Libabeka with all your heart. Two is Napseka with all your soul. Three is Meodeka with all your strength. Four is Madaeka with all your mind. And thy neighbor. And five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And five is Welereyaka Kamoka and thy neighbor as thyself. So the first four elements is love to God, and the fifth element is love to neighbor. Now, in John 14 verse 15, we read the Hebrew Bible, Im ahabtem it oti et me mes mesta tisemoru. If you love me, keep my commandments. So loving God is keeping God's commandment. And then Matthew 15 verse 8, this is in Hebrew we read ki neges haam haze bepiu bisepatau kibetoni lewelibo rehak mimeni. So this verse, it reads that people worship God with their tongues, not with their heart. In 2 Timothy chapter 3, we read verse 1, this know also that in the last days perilous times shall come. Verse 2, for men shall be lovers of their own selves, covetous, boasters, proud, blasphemers, disobedient to parents, unthankful, unholy. In verse 3, without natural affection, truce breakers, false accusers, incontinent, fierce, despisers of those that are good, for traitors, high-minded, lovers of pleasures more than lovers of God. 5, having a form of godliness, but denying the power of thereof, from such turn away. So these are the reasons that creates crisis of love in God's part. So God is in need of love. God is finding true love. No one is loving God truly. In the book of John chapter 21 and 15, we read in the Greek Bible, Otio Pestesan, Legeto Zimoni Petro o Yeshua, Simon Yona, Agapas mi, Pleon Toton, Legay, Oto Kai, Toto, Nai Kori, So Oidas, Oti, Philo Se, Lege Oto, Bosketa, Arnia Mo. So in verse 15 we read, Jesus Christ is asking Simon, if Simon Peter, if Simon Peter loved him. Jesus said, "Do you love me?" Agapas me. And then Peter replied, Nai kori, su oidas oti philo se. Yes, Lord, I love you, Lord. So in verse 16, Lege auto palin, dioteron, Simon Iona, agapas mi. Lege auto nai kori, su oidas oti philo se. Lege auto poimane ta probata mo. So in verse 16, Jesus asked again, the second time, Peter, do you love me? Simon Iona, agapas me. And then Peter answered, Nai kori, su oidas oti philos se. You know, Lord, that I love you. And then in verse 17, we read, Lege oto to triton, Simon Iona, philees me. Ilotete ho Petros oti epen auto to triton philees mi kai epen auto kuri so panta oidas so ginos case oti pilose lege auto o Yeshua bosketo probata mo. In verse 17 we read that Jesus again asked Peter in the third time, but this time he used the word philo instead of agape. The, the, that means Jesus is leveling up to the level of Peter. So in Greek, love has 3 degrees. The first one is agape, that is godly love. Philos, that is brotherly love. And eros, that is love to opposite sex. So the love that God is asking Peter is that godly love, agape. In his first and second question, he says, agapas me. But then Peter answered, philose. So the answer of Peter was not much to the question of our Lord Yeshua. So the third time Yeshua asked Peter, he used the word philos instead of the word agape. So this is all about God's love. God is finding true love. So God will someday find true love in us. So it is a challenge for us that we should love God with all our hearts, with all our mind, with all our strength. And we should love our neighbor as ourselves. That is loving God truly. Thank you for watching my video. God bless you. And I hope that you have learned a lot in this video. Thank you.